I'm sure you've all seen business cards before, but have you seen how they're made? Come on, I'll give you a look. I'll demonstrate with a very short digital print run, and all I'll need is these 3 sheets. Now this machine here is my very fancy card cutter, and you want to watch this closely. This is going to cut vertically and horizontally in one pass, each sheet individually. It's always a good idea to count your fingers before you start and when you're finished to make sure you didn't lose one. And just like that, almost like magic, we've just turned 3 sheets of cardboard into 60 business cards. Thanks for watching.